Navigating the National Electrical Code can be a daunting task for electricians, especially when it comes to understanding its layout. The NEC is divided into several sections, each covering different aspects of electrical installations and safety standards. The layout typically includes chapters, each focusing on a specific topic such as wiring methods, equipment installation, or special occupancies. Articles. Within each chapter, you'll find articles that delve deeper into specific requirements and regulations. Sections. Articles are further divided into sections, which provide detailed guidance on particular subjects. Tables and figures. These tables and figures supplement the text and help clarify complex concepts. Here are some tips to help you make the most of the NEC. Use the table of contents. The table of contents provides an overview of the NEC's structure and can help you quickly locate relevant sections and articles. Pay attention to cross-references. The NEC frequently refers to other sections or articles within the code. Be sure to follow these cross-references to ensure you're considering all relevant requirements. Take advantage of the index. Add page numbers next to relevant keywords to quickly locate information and save time during your research. By familiarizing yourself with the organization of the NEC and utilizing its various components, you'll be better equipped to navigate the code and pass the electrician license exam in Texas.